I wouldn't even say we got in here. We tried to walk in here to this field and set up, and there's a gobbler right here at probably 80 yards. We'll see what he does right here. He's just pecking around. Got him a hen out there with him. We'll try to make a plan right here. He's coming right at us. I shouldn't have done that. Is he coming on my side? What? He's turning right. No, he ain't. He's coming left. Let me try to get on him first. He's in the leaves. Push the safety off. Can't tell which side he's gonna come up. Focus in. Yelped at them all evening. So we ain't been yelping at them. Oh yeah, I yelped at them and they come running on a string right to us 10 yards. There ain't a whole lot of video. I'm about to die from this pollen. Ooh. You got you a bird. We got it done this evening. This video, I don't know how much of it's gonna be usable. We laid on our bellies watching them. It's hard to video them out in this grass, it's so tall. But we called this longbeard up from, I don't know, 250. Pretty good bird, eh?
Yeah.
You shot his beard. Some of it.
I shot some of it out. He's a lot thicker.
It was a lot thicker.
Worked on you, didn't I, buddy?
Blowed him to pieces. This is one of them elusive field birds we've been chasing since Gooney shot that one opening day. There's 2 more longbeards. There was 2 of these running together, and then there's one real smart one. We can't trick him. We've been trying. Can't even get him to do nothing. I made the mistake. I guess you could say it's a mistake. I don't know. I should have got us set up. I just didn't think they would come. So what I yelped one time. Yelped and they come. They just come running. You blow his beard bad?
Yeah, I blowed it bad.
You better hang on to him. I yelped one time and they came from like 200 yards across this field. I mean, beelined us. We had to waller around and lay down flat. And he come right up here. What is that, 15 yards?
Yeah. He made his last mistake.
Yeah. Conan done lopped him upside the head.